Welcome to the Daily Market Review brought to you by OptionsClick.
Hello and welcome to our look at the October 6th trading session. I have the economic calendar in front of you. A couple things going on. The first thing that we would mention really is the RBA rate statement. It's really not the cash rate. They're not expected to do much, but pay attention to what the Australians say as far as how they feel the economic situation's going on around the world. That, of course, will move risk on, risk off. So if they suggest that things are getting worse, you can anticipate the Aussie dollar losing strength, but also commodities, and then, of course, vice versa. Later on in the day, we have Canadian IV PMI. That does tend to move the Canadian dollar a bit, so we'll pay attention to see what happens in dollar CAD. And then, of course, we have the Bank of Japan with its press conference monetary policy statement. Not expected to raise rates, obviously, but they could do more quantitative easing, so that can be very negative for the yen. Looking at the charts, you can see that the S&P 500 took off immediately during the course of the session on Monday, and it looks like we're going to try to reach towards 2,000. Pullbacks should continue to offer value that call buyers will be attracted to. Looking at the Canadian dollar, you can see we have fallen a bit, but we see a significant amount of support somewhere near 1.30. So, having said that, we're just simply waiting to see if we get a supportive candle that we can start buying calls based upon. And finally, dollar yen looks like it is trying to break out to the upside, maybe in anticipation of what the BOJ may say. Regardless, though, 121 is probably the target for now. If we can get above there, 122 and then 125. Pullbacks should offer call buying opportunities all the way down to about the 119 level. With that, we've taken a look at the October 6th trading session.
This review is brought to you by OptionsClick, the most trusted binary options broker.